Yeah, let's get it. Bam. Hey. Bam. Hey. Bam. 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 Hey. Hey, y'all. Do what it do. So, yes. I'm loving this already. So, let's apply her. So guys, I absolutely love this wig. I received this wig from Jinrenhair. Hope I didn't butcher their name. It's Jinren hair. But I'll leave the information down below where you can see it. Shout out to you guys. Thank you for sending me this amazing, soft, good quality wig. This is a 20-inch frontal. No, this is a closure. This is 20-inch closure. And it's a 22, 24, 24 bundles. So I'm loving it. It's super soft. It's amazing. It's bouncy like crazy, which is always a plus. I'm just overall excited. I'm gonna get a lot of compliments. Like, what? I always get compliments about my hair, and it's like, this is just gonna, it's gonna make my day today. So thank you. I'm speechless. I'm so speechless.